Hi, in the last video we learned about how to create a new image cursor. In this video we are going to learn about creating your text cursor. Let's go to our website admin panel and click on custom cursor. Click cursor maker, and here in cursor type field select the text. With the version 3.03, new options are added to the text cursor. For example, you can change the cursor text, and you can show or hide the dot at the center. You can change the dot width, dot color, and you can change the cursor width here. You can set the text to uppercase, lowercase, or capitalize, and you can change the font weight to normal, and you can also change the text color. Now let's save our cursor, and once you saved your cursor, it should be added to the cursor list here. Select your cursor, click next, and save the cursor. Okay, now the cursor is added to your website. You can go to the front of your website and refresh the page to see it. Okay, as you can see, our text cursor is added and working properly. Thank you for watching.